Level 9, Advanced. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. The country mouse lived humbly in the fields, where his daily meals were plain but safe bread, corn, and fruit. One day, his cousin from the city visited him. After tasting the simple food, the town mouse laughed. "Cousin, how poor your life is. In the city, we eat cheese, cakes, and fine meat every day. Come with me, and I will show you true living." The country mouse agreed, curious about the city. When they arrived, he entered a grand house with a magnificent table full of food. There were cheeses, cakes, roasted meat, and ripe fruit. The country mouse could not believe his eyes. He was about to taste the food when suddenly a cat rushed in. The two mice fled in terror and barely escaped. The country mouse, still trembling, said, "Cousin, your table is rich, but your life is full of fear. I would rather live simply in peace than in luxury with constant danger." And he returned to his quiet home, wiser than before.